How to change Facebook password if I forgot my email and phone number. So in this video, I will show you possible method to recover or to change password on your Facebook account if you forgot your email and phone number. So first of all, now go ahead and use your browser. I will use Chrome browser. You can use any browser. After you open your browser like this, now go and search for this website. Here is it now. Tap on search and go to this website wiki. This website at Casina wiki.com/contact-facebook.com. So go and search for this website. So after you search for this website, tap on this contact. I will give you the link of this website in the comment section of this video. So if you scroll to down, as you can see here, it says how to contact Facebook, easy ways to get account help. So now it will help you to get help with your account. So scroll all the way to down. As you can see here, it says using a direct contact form is just like sending an email, except you are more likely to get a reply. So in this option, as you can see now, because this form are all linked directly from customer support pages on Facebook, you are more likely to get a reply to filling out this form than sending email directly. So as you can see now, if you scroll all the way to down, as you can see now, there is links. This is a link, this is a link, this is a link. So all you have to do now, go and follow all this link and find the option that says change Facebook password without email or phone number. So after you find the option, as you can see now, just go ahead and read the links, because the links are too much. As you can see now, all these links, go ahead just and read the link. Let's say now my problem is not like changing password, my problem is my account has disabled. Here it says if your personal account was disabled. So if I tap on this link, as you can see now, this one, now it will give me access to fill a form and send the form to Facebook using my email address. From there, Facebook will reply to me with a possible method to recover my account. So now we'll go ahead now and check all these links. If there's one that matches with your problem, then from there you can follow the step and recover your Facebook account or change your password. That's it, guys. Hope this information helps you. Please like and subscribe. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below.